All right, well, I have the turkey at the house, and now I remembered I had to go to the grocery store to buy a couple of things for the turkey feast that we're making. Come join me. I'm going to walk through the grocery store, and then we're going to make our turkey. Yeah, for a Thanksgiving, you need to have your Glad Press and Seal for sure. There's going to be leftovers. You're going to need this. Just trust me on this. Grab it first, and then we're going to pat it down with paper towels, and then we're going to stuff it and put lots of butter underneath the skin. All right, now's the time to stuff it. I went ahead and trussed him up, so that the legs wouldn't open up, and his wings are tied behind his back. Now I'm gonna put all of this inside the cavity. Put into the oven, as you can see, right about the middle of the oven, right? That's where you wanna put it. 45 minutes, 30 minutes at 450 degrees. The smell here in the house is amazing. Here we have our stuffing, it's getting ready. Stuffing or dressing. And we have, that's part of the stuffing preparation. And the giblets for the giblet gravy. It is just amazing in this house. And there is our turkey. You can hardly see it. Macaroni and cheese, and this is 4 cups of macaroni. We decided to be fun this year, and we're making wagon wheel macaroni. Yum. Preparing the macaroni sauce in a small bowl. I am beating 1 egg. All right, so now I have half a stick of butter in there. It is melting, low heat, and I'm gonna add some flour. A 1/4 cup of flour. Integrated the butter and the flour. A little bit of flour there is still not going to let go. Once that's done, now we're going to start adding milk. Now the time to put 2.5 cups of milk. We're going to do little by little. Now we're going to put in 2 teaspoons of mustard. This is the second one right here. 1 pound of sharp cheddar cheese, and I'm gonna put this now in our mixture. All right, now we put in the cheese little by little, and we stir it in, and as it melts, we add some more. Just keep stirring and watch this cream become a thick, gooey, golden goodness. My beautiful wife is making the mashed potatoes right here. We've bought, so it's about 5 pounds for 4 people. We've gotten a lot more because we like, leftovers. So some people may think, macaroni. How do we serve macaroni? And I have to say that macaroni by itself, macaroni and cheese by itself is fantastic. But when we're talking about turkey, I think baked macaroni just takes it to another level, especially since it adds additional crust. All right, we have incorporated the cheese, and now it's time to add the macaroni that we've had resting here to the side into the pot. Okay, well, you're gonna have to first stir the macaroni just slightly because the macaroni has been resting here for a while, and all that pasta has come together and turn into a big glob of pasta. We don't want that. So by turning it around, you're gonna break up that macaroni and get it ready for the final pour. Yes, delicious. At this point, we're going to retire our whisk, and we are going to graduate to a spatula or a wooden spoon like this. And start stirring and turning this cheesy goodness into the whole macaroni. All right, I'm gonna flip it over so that the juices can run into the chest. And I have my son Jordan helping me out. Okay, Jordan, help me out. I need you to help me turn it over. Make it over so that it doesn't. Oh, it's hot. It's amazing. And there you go. I'm gonna leave it like this, and I'm gonna let it rest for 45 minutes. Done. A tip for amazing green beans. For a green bean casserole or for your mashed potatoes. Brown your garlic first before putting it into. Now add some cheese just for the crispiness and the meltiness on top of it. Yum. Extra, I went ahead and put some of the dressing crumbs on top because, well, who doesn't like a little bit of crumb on top of your macaroni? All right, now it's time to cut the turkey. Look what it looks like upside down. Isn't that beautiful? It's just delicious. Can't wait to cut this baby. We're doing, this is the last video. Everybody's like really wanting to eat here. So we have the macaroni and cheese, the gravy. We have amazing green beans and mashed potatoes. We have pecan pie, key lime pie. Oh my goodness, the turkey. Stuffing and
dressing.
Dressing. We have bread that's hidden underneath because we do not want to let it get cold. And we also have chicken. Amazing. Yum!